today's digital-first world, virtual desktop infrastructures enable secure hybrid work. But a wrong VDI partner can create challenges, such as escalating costs due to rising licensing fees and subscription-only model, rigid infrastructure requirements with limited deployment options, lack of support, and disruptions in vendor operations. So how do you unlock the full potential of VDI? Meet Accops, a leading provider of a secure, flexible, and cost-effective VDI solution. With Accops, you can enjoy seamless deployment across hypervisors, operating systems, cloud, or on-premise infrastructure. You can also enjoy comprehensive security by integrating Zero Trust Access Gateway, multi-factor authentication, single sign-on, and DLP features, ensuring compliance with DPDP Act, RBI, and SEBI guidelines, as well as global standards like GDPR. With Accops VDI, you can reduce your total cost of ownership by up to 40% through tailored deployment and licensing options, and enjoy dedicated support directly from the OEM. The unified Accops VDI solution enables granular access controls with geofencing and device posture checks, session recording for comprehensive data protection, high-performance virtual applications and desktops, dynamic capacity planning for resource optimization, and built-in disaster recovery and high availability to ensure seamless operations. Accops empowers sectors like BFSI with secure core banking applications, reduce data leakage, and ensure regulatory compliance. Healthcare and pharmaceutical with sensitive R&D data protection and global collaboration. Manufacturing with safeguarding intellectual property and maintaining secure access to industrial control systems. And governments with secure, compliant access to critical systems for digital governance. Transform your workforce and experience the future of secure, scalable, and cost-effective digital workspaces with Accops VDI. Contact us today.